So here I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Samsung promo code. So let's get started. So Samsung is an online company which sells you many range of electronics from TVs, tablets, laptops, and even mobile phones. So now you might be wondering on how you can get a discount while purchasing from this company. Well, you have to go to your web browser and search up Samsung promo code. So once that is done, you'll have to scroll down until you see this website Wired. So I'm gonna click on it. Okay, so you're gonna see many options here. So this one says 30% off with this Samsung coupon. So you can click on it, and that code will be sent to the email, and you can just copy the code, and then you can go and use it anywhere. Okay. So there are many other codes. You can go and explore them. I'm gonna go to some other websites and show you a few more codes. Okay. So this is another website, CNET coupon. So you can go here. And then there are many deals here as well, so I'm going to scroll down and show you one. So Samsung promo code 20% off. So you can also use this one by clicking show coupon. Okay, so that's the coupon if you want to get a 20% off, and that's a big discount. You can also go and check out more. So for example, grab 40% off select phone cases. So you can click show coupon, and that's the coupon for getting 40% off when you buy a phone case. Let's go to some other website and I'll show you a few more codes. Let's just go and check a few more from here only. So $25 off using mobile app, so you can click show coupon, and this will be automatically applied at checkout. So that's how coupon works for Samsung. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.